Hi, I'm Kevin Willer. I'm a general partner at Chicago Ventures and the incoming vice chair of the board of directors of mHUB. I've been interested in tech since the beginning of my career. One key moment that informed my interest in hard tech was joining a company called US Robotics. It was such a fascinating experience to be part of this incredible company that was innovating and building these next generation products. Always had interest in technology, and that's what led me to Chicago Ventures and getting involved with mHUB. My first introduction to mHUB was when Haven Allen brought me through this space at 965 West Chicago, and it was going to be made into an incubator for hard tech. It was such an amazing opportunity to take something that was shut down from its past life, but made into something new for entrepreneurs. And so I joined the board of directors at the beginning when mHUB launched. What makes mHUB unique compared to other innovation centers is all the manufacturing equipment on site. The fact that you can actually make your ideas a reality and build your products here at the facility and then go over and get access to mentorship and classes and events. It's really a unique environment and makes Chicago the capital for manufacturing innovation. What I find most exciting about the future of hard tech and manufacturing is that it's happening here at mHUB. Having access to this incredible facility and the community here, which is a diverse and inclusive community, we have an opportunity to be the capital for this type of innovation in this city, across this region, and around the country. The future of hard tech is here in Chicago. I am excited and honored to be the incoming vice chair of the board of directors of mHUB.